Hey everyone, Dan here, and this is my review of the electric cleaning brush. This is like an electric grout brush, and this was something the company sent me. So let's open this up and do a quick unboxing, see what you get. Look at that. Okay, first of all, it's cardboard packaging, so it can be easily recycled. You have your instructions here, and this is a device that runs off of AA batteries. Here is the main brush, and they say that it's IPX7 waterproof, so you probably can't submerge this, but you can really get it wet and get it rolling. And look at these different brush heads that come with it. This thing is like a disc, so, oh yeah, look at that. It just kind of adheres on there, and that's a nice scrubber. We'll leave that on. And then, whoa. And then there is, you got kind of like a targeted pointed bristle brush, a flat, softer brush here, and this is like kind of a hybrid. This is very stiff brush there. And then, oh, look at this thing. This is a big one, a big scrubber. And this is just as stiff as this one, if not stiffer. And then you got a little lanyard here, a little thing that you can hold on to it. So let's get some batteries in this and get this tested out and see what this is all about. You know what? I think I'm going to start with one of these guys. Just kind of put that in there, and you just line it up and then give it a twist, and it's locked into place. Let's see. Oh, I think you push in these buttons, and this part comes off, and that's where you're going to put your AA batteries. It's going to take 4 of them, and let's get it looking at how this works. We're going to load it up and give it a try. Okay, so with this device, batteries make all the difference in the world. I had some half-charged alkaline batteries, and they powered it, but it wasn't that great. I have some in-and-loop rechargeables that I made sure they were fully charged overnight, and the result is way better. So my recommendation is, when using this, make sure you have good, strong batteries, because that's going to make all the difference in the world. Let's go see how it works now. Go. Okay, we're using a little soft scrub, and okay, so one of the great things about this is I can now get in between all of my faucets and stuff. I could have the hardest time getting in between them. And I know this doesn't look the cleanest, but if you look and compare to that, yeah, it's all grimy and gross. I didn't clean that. And then all around the faucet, it's a little better. And then this is I did some work over here. I did not do any work over here. And you can kind of see where it's dingy and nasty, and then there, it's cleaned up a little bit better. So, and then I did some before. That's kind of like a very barely touched, not touched at all. And then here's where I worked on some of the tile. So you can kind of tell where I've been working and where I haven't. And I was going to say that this tool is pretty good and pretty nice. I'm pretty happy with it. I hope this video review helps you in your decision to picking up one of these. Thanks for watching.